Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As part of Microsoft Power Platforms, we are going to learn Microsoft Power Platforms. As part of Microsoft Power Platforms, we are learning Microsoft Power Desktop first, and we have already covered few topics. Today, we are going to discuss folders package. So, please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. So that's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new videos or series on Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. So let's get started. Now we are in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop Developer Editor. So let me delete the existing commands on the flow. And so here in the left hand side, you can see different packages available in the Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. So today we are going to learn Power Folders. So this is also a very important thing. So in a real-time scenarios, this folder package is going to play key role. Why? Because each and every RPA process, not only RPA process, any process, definitely we will be have some input folders, some output folders, and processing folder or project name folders. So we need to handle those folder structures dynamically. So let's get started. So in this series we are going to learn how to create a folder and how to delete a folder and how to copy the file folders, how to rename the folder, how to check whether the folder exists or not, what are all the best practices, how we can utilize these packages in a real-time scenario. So let's get started. First thing what I'll do, I'll just try to create a folder. So to create a folder, where do you want to create a folder? What is your folder name? So that is the main mandatory thing. So manually thing, and I'll show it to you. So this is my, let's suppose this is my folder structure. Here you can see only one folder is there with the name of DES. I want to create one more folder. Okay, so for that, let me choose the folder structure. Here I want to create a new folder. So let me type the new folder name. Let's say folder package, and let me create. This is the simple and straightforward task. It is going to create folder and the specific location. So let me go to here. Here you can see folder underscore package has been created just now. So 26, 3, 9, 30, it what has created a folder. So let's go to Microsoft Desktop Editor and let's try to delete the folder now. So what folder we have created, we will try to delete the same folder. And let me try to run this code. You can also run the code from here also. Okay, run from here. Now it is going to delete the folder. Okay, so let's suppose the folder has been deleted. Now what I'll do, I'll try to delete the same folder once again by clicking run from here. So what will happen? Well, let's see. See, here we have an error, that is the folder underscore package does not exist. That means the folder is not there. So what we need to do, if you want to perform anything like operation, what we need to do, we need to check the whether the folder is exist or not. This is very important thing in a real-time scenarios to perform the action. So let me copy this path and let me use if folder exists or not, and let me paste it over here, and let me drag this command to folder X. So now if the folder exists, then only what is going to delete that particular folder, else it will skip. So this is the best practice in a real-time scenarios. It will not throw any error. Whether if the folder X exists, it is going to delete the folder, else it will leave it as it is. So now what we will do, we'll just use copy folder or move folder package. I'll do rename folder. So let me select one of the folder, downloads, Microsoft and DES. So I have selected one folder. I want to rename that folder as let's say target, and let me click on save. What I'll do, I'll drag here and let me remove this existing code. I'll try to run this task. So let me go to the destination, and here you can see the folder name has been renamed to target. So this is how we can do. We can just you know create a folder, and we can check whether the folder is exist or not while deleting the folder. And even the rename, while renaming the folder also, you can just check whether the folder is available or not. Now I'll try to execute the same command. Here there is no DES folder in the destination folder, then it will throw an error stating that the folder does not exist. So to avoid this kind of situations, we need to check whether the folder exists or not. Okay, so now empty folder. Empty folder is nothing but folder will be there, but whatever the files are content in the folder, those content will be removed. This command please practice from your end and let me know if you face any issues. I'll try to make another video to perform empty folder command. So in the earlier session we have already covered move files, copy files. This is also the almost similar. Okay, move file folder, copy folder, and rename folder. Please practice these four pack commands. Okay, and let me know if you face any issues. So in the next video we are going to learn how to retrieve all the files in the folder and what are all the subfolders available in the folder. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Please practice from your end and let me know if you face any issues. I'll try to help you, and if required I'll make another videos on your queries. Thank you.